pursuant to Standing Order 46.5. Pursuant to the said Standing Order, I now report the message as follows. Pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 41.1 and 142B of the National Assembly Standing Orders, I hereby convey the following message from the National Assembly. Whereas the County Government's Additional Locations Bill, National Assembly Bills number 23 of 2023, was published via Kenya Gazette Supplement number 77 of 24th May 2023 to provide for the additional allocations to county governments for the 2023-2024 financial year, the responsibilities of the national government and county governments pursuant to such allocation and for connected purposes. And whereas the National Assembly considered and passed the said bill on Tuesday, 27 June 2023 with amendments as attached herewith, now therefore, in accordance with the provisions of Article 110 of the Constitution and Standing Orders 41.1 and 142B of the National Assembly Standing Orders, I hereby convey the said decision of the National Assembly to the Senate. Honorable Senators, the message was received with a request from the leader of the majority party in the National Assembly that the Senate Majority Leader co-sponsors and introduces the bill in the Senate. Pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 163.2, which states as follows: before a bill originating from the National Assembly is read a first time in the Senate, the Speaker shall notify the Senate whenever a message is received from the Speaker of the National Assembly naming a senator or senators who have been nominated by the sponsor of the bill to co-sponsor the bill in the Senate. Honorable Senators, in this regard, the request has been conveyed to the Senate Majority Leader for his further action. I thank you. Next order.
Order number 4, petitions.
The request has been conveyed to the Senate Majority Leader for his further action. I thank you. Next order.
Order number 4, petitions. Order number 4, petitions.
The Chair Standing Committee, JLAC, to present a petition, or any member of the committee. If not, the petition is deferred. Next order, Clerk. The Chair or any member of the committee, to present a petition, or any member of the petition is deferred. Next order. If not, the petition is deferred. Next order. Before we move to the next order, I've got two communications to make. I would like to acknowledge the presence in the Speaker's Gallery this afternoon a delegation from the County Assembly of Busia, comprising members of the Speaker's panel and its secretariat. The delegation is undertaking benchmarking visit in the Senate. I request each member of the delegation to stand when called out so that you may be acknowledged in the Senate tradition. The Honorable Ronald Ochalu, the Deputy Speaker. Honorable Gadi Obara Jakar. Honorable Joston Makabwa. Ms. Emma Akiru. Ms. Trufena Okeyo. Mr. Moses Opelech. Mr. Godfrey Balera. In our usual tradition of receiving and welcoming visitors to Parliament, I extend a warm welcome to the delegation, and on behalf of the Senate and on behalf wish them a fruitful visit. Also in the Speaker's Gallery this afternoon, we have 48 students, accompanied by 3 teachers from Tumaita West Secondary School, Kirinyaga County, who are in the Senate on an education tour. Honorable Senators, in our usual tradition, receiving and welcoming visitors to Parliament, I extend a warm welcome to them. And on behalf of the Senate and on my own behalf, wish them a fruitful visit. I will allow the Senator, I don't see Senator Omtata. I will therefore allow his immediate neighbor, Senator Osotsi, under 1 minute to say brief welcoming remarks, and thereafter followed by the Senator for Kirinyaga to also under 1 minute to give some welcoming remarks. Proceed in that order. Under 1 minute to say brief welcoming remarks.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity to welcome the distinguished delegation from Busia. Mr. Speaker, Busia is a very critical county in this country, being a county that borders our neighbors Uganda and being a key transit point between the two countries. I want to warmly welcome you to the Senate on behalf of my colleague, Senator Omtata, who is not in this afternoon, but I'm sure he'll walk in any time from now. You have a very formidable senator, an individual or a personality who has fought for the rights of many, not just in Busia, but Kenya in general. I am sure you will enjoy your visit, listen to the deliberation in this Senate, and you will have something to take back to the great people of Busia. Welcome, and thank you for visiting the Senate this afternoon. Rights of many, not just in Busia, but visit Kenya in general. Listen to the deliberation in this Senate.
Asante sana Mstahiki Spika, tachukua fursa hii kuwakaribisha wanafunzi kutoka shule ya Tumaita. Tumaita ni mojawapo ya shule ambao wanajikaza kizambuni katika masomo yao, wakielewa fika ya kwamba masomo tu ndio inaweza kusawasisha mahurukutambu ambao tunaita hustlers na matajiri wengine na kukaa meza moja. Kwa hivyo nawape kongole walimu kwa kuhakikisha kwamba hawa wanafunzi wamefika hapa siku ya leo. Asante.
Next order
kutoka shule ya Tumaita yao. Tumaita wakielewa fika ya kwamba wanajikaza kizambuni katika
Order number 4, petitions.
wakielewa fika ya kwamba kutambu ambao tunaita hustlers na masomo tu ndio inaweza kusawasisha mahurukutambu na watu wanaita walimu na kukaa hawa wanafunzi wamefika hapa.
So we'll defer that particular order. Next order, please.
Hawa wanafunzi wamefika hapa siku ya leo. Asante.
Order number 5, papers.
Majority Leader.
Order number 4, petitions. Order number 4, petitions.
So we'll defer that particular order. Next order. So we'll defer.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the following papers on the table of the Senate today, 18th July 2023. Number 1, the county government equitable share cash disbursement schedule for the financial year 2023-2024. Number 2, the Commission on Administrative Justice annual report for financial year 2021-2022. Number 3, the Commission on Administrative Justice biannual report for the period July to December 2022. The report of the Auditor General on the financial statements of the municipality of Hola for the year ended 30th June 2020. The report of the Auditor General on the financial statement of the municipality of Hola for the year ended 30th June 2021. A report on the Auditor General on the financial statement of the municipality of Hola for the year ended 30th June 2022. A report of the Auditor General on the financial statements of the Nairobi City Water and Sewerage Company Limited for the year ended 30th June 2022. A report of the Auditor A report of the Auditor General of the financial statement of the County Government of Kisumu, Kisumu Urban Project for the year ended 30th June 2022. Reports of the Auditor General for the year ended 30th June 2022 on the financial statements of Kisumu Water and Sanitation Company Limited, Kisumu Lakefront Development Corporation, Kisumu County Education Fund, the Kisumu County Women, Youth and People with Disabilities Fund, Kiambu Municipality, Kikuyu Municipality, Ruiru Municipality, Rimuru Municipality, Karuri Municipality, Kericho County Bursary Fund, the County Government of Bomet Nongisa County Level 4 Hospital, the County Government of Turkana County Revenue Fund, Roadway Water and Sanitation Company Limited, Amatsi Services Company Limited, Kakamega County Water and Sanitation Company Limited, Kakamega County Microfinance Corporation, Bungoma County Youth and Women Empowerment Fund, Rachuonyo County Hospital, Migori County Referral Hospital, Suba Sub-County Hospital, and Homa Bay County Teaching and Referral Hospital. I beg to name, Mr. Speaker. County Limited, Roadway Water and Sanitation, Kakamega County Water and Sanitation Services Company Limited, Kakamega County Microfinance Corporation, County Water and Sanitation County Youth and Company Limited, Kakamega Rachuonyo County Microfinance Corporation, Bungoma County Youth and Women Empowerment Fund, Rachuonyo County Hospital, Migori County Hospital, and Homa Bay County Teaching and Referral Hospital. I beg to name, Mr. Speaker. Suba Sub-County Hospital and Homa Bay County Teaching and Referral Hospital. I beg to name, Mr. Speaker.
Next order, clerk.
Order number 6, notices of motion. Order number 7, notices of motion. Order number 7, questions and statements.
52-1, the Honorable Danson Mungatana. Statement pursuant to Standing Order 52-1, the Honorable Danson Mungatana.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52-1 to make a statement. I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52-1 to make a statement, namely the joint African General Topical Parliament Electoral Observation Mission, namely the joint African Union June 2023 General Electoral Observation Mission, to the 24th June 2023 general elections. Sierra Leone is a country approximately 8.7 million people. Mr. Speaker, sir, holds its Sierra Leone is a country approximately 8.7 million people. The 24th June 2023 general election every 5 years since the end of civil war. The 24th June 2023 general elections were the 5th since the end of civil war, and reaffirmed the consolidation of democratic governance in the country. And reaffirmed the consolidation of democratic governance in the country. Economic hardships. The elections were held by massive and highly competitive, high levels of inflation, and occasioned by massive unemployment, high levels of inflation, and appreciating currency, and insecure defense 55%. Is still recovering. The 2008 elections, particularly divisive political rhetoric, were highly competitive. The previous elections, particularly of 2018, the African Union were highly competitive, with the current president taking the win, followed the first round. The candidates secured the votes cast in the second round of voting that followed the first round. The 2008 elections divisive political election observation mission amplified. 2008 elections drawn divisive political African Union and amplified.
This is the second message from the National Assembly. I wish to report to the Senate.
Furtherance of its commitment deployed a short-term election observation mission member 50 observers, the former prime minister of the short-term election observation mission of Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, drawn mandated to assess African Union states to which the conduct of the elections met international standards for democratic elections. Short-term observer, I was privileged to have represented Parliament of Kenya, the former Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Excellency, the Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Prime Minister of the People's Republic, the mission and the two Democratic Republic of Ethiopia election activities to assess sensitization workshops elections, to which the conduct of the elections represented Parliament of Kenya as the country and led the National Electoral Parliament forum and regional development credible Kenya, the established leaders who will engage preventive diplomacy as a means of eminent reducing electoral-related tension and violence as a means of reducing electoral-related tension and violence and technology to interrogate the capacity of Standing Committee on Information, Communication and Technology to interrogate the capacity of the media to promote financial support and the government CSO and the media more so during the election period in recognition of the significant contributions they make Standing Committee enhancing the accountability, transparency and citizen participation in Standing Committee on Legal Framework support will enable them financial support, voter education, campaign on the media more so during the election period in recognition of the significant contributions they make also during the enhancing the accountability, transparency and guidance in areas of election management, enhancing the accountability, transparency will enable them conduct extensive voter education campaigns and support democratic processes will enable them conduct extensive voter education campaigns and the independent electoral from the IEBC Commission conduct conjunction expertise and guidance in areas of the IEBC management, publish, conduct expertise and guidance practice to promote good integrity of democratic processes and in the conduct of elections, safeguarding the integrity of the independent processes and the IEBC should adopt a collaborative approach to the independent electoral judiciary when there exists open constructive dialogue with all political parties, practice to promote consistency and conformity of elections in the conduct of elections, promote the national treasury and economic funding to put in place the IEBC to adopt a collaborative approach to election management to IEBC when there exists a seamless collaborative dialogue with all political parties aimed at post-election when there exists open constructive dialogue with all political parties aimed at consensus building the national treasury and economic planning to put in budget measures aimed at ensuring the national treasury and economic planning funding extensive capacity building programs for timely election in the election including IEBC